So, as I was talking about the bug life cycle, whenever there is a, unexpected behavior from the application where the actual output is not matching with the expected output, so in that case, we raise it as a bug, defect, or issue, and it is having a complete life cycle in itself. So, whenever we are creating a new bug by mentioning all the details with the description, with the step by steps, how we can reproduce it, severity, priority, what is the sprint will be there that we have raised the bug, and which task it is assigned related to. So whenever every details we will be adding in while creating a bug, so the status will be new in the starting, and it will be get assigned to the developer who has developed particular that functionality, and then it will go in the open status. So like open status means to say that developer is ready, I mean it is opened or not, so he will check either he can able to reproduce it or not. So if it is it is not reproducible, in that case he can reject also, or maybe we have raised a wrong defect that was not in the requirement, but still we have raised the defect, so in that case also he can defer to the particular bug. But if it is an actual bug and he feels like, yeah, it is a bug and he has to fix in the code, so at that time he will fix the bug. Okay, after fixing the bug, it will be in the retesting status, and it will be get reassigned back to the tester who has raised that particular bug. Okay, and now tester will do the retesting in this particular status. So if it is still not fixed, and still he can face some error or issue in that, so it will be getting reopened. He will reopen it, and the status again will go in the open, and it will again get back assigned to the developer again. Then developer will work on it again, and maybe he has to fix something, so he will be fixing that. But if it is working fine after a fixing, and so what he will the tester will do after the retest, he will verify it, and then he will close that particular bug. So this is like a complete life cycle for a bug, and this is the same everywhere, I mean as a cycle wise. Okay.
Yes, and Rahul,
Yeah.
in a in default state, okay, whenever if the developer is unable to fix that bug in the current sprint, then they will make it a deferred so that it like in upcoming sprints they can fix it, right? For default state.
Yeah, so in that case, what they do, like they do in the backlog. So, but most of the
Yeah.
time, also what they do, na, they even roll back to the Jira also what they were developing, because
Yes.
client will not allow half Jira to be developed with a bug, and that will go in the production, because whatever is going in the backlog that will be developed in the next cycle, but current cycle will go in the production, so they can't send the functionality which is developed with the bug. So in that case, even sometimes I have seen they completely roll back the Jira also.
Yes, it depends upon the like effect, how much it is affecting the business flow.
Yes.
Based on that, they will do it. But if the developer is unable to fix that big in the current sprint, then they will make it default so that in upcoming sprints they can fix it. They will
Yeah.
create a separate Jira story for the defect itself, and they will make it as default.
Yeah.
Default.
Yeah, they can do that also, they do that also sometimes. Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
So